Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening TikTok and pressing the plus to create. Record or upload the footage you want. Keep orientation and timing in mind. Once done, tap text and type the exact words you want read aloud. Make sure the text layer is placed where you want speech to begin. After positioning, leave the text selected and look for the three-dot or text-to-speech option. You're starting the conversion now, and this step makes the voice match the written words precisely. Now you convert and refine. With the text layer selected, tap the text-to-speech or speech icon to reveal voice presets. You'll see names or sample buttons. Preview each so the tone fits your content. Choose a voice, then apply it to the text. Make sure to split long sentences into multiple text boxes if you need different timing or emphasis. Once applied, scrub the timeline to confirm alignment and tweak each text duration so the speech lands on the exact visual beats you want. Finish by reviewing and exporting a private draft to confirm sync and audio clarity. You want the voice to match visuals before posting. If the voice option is missing, make sure your app is updated, restart TikTok, then re-add the text and reapply text-to-speech. When pronunciation sounds off, edit the wording or insert commas, periods, or parentheses to change pauses and emphasis. This guides the TTS engine. Post when everything aligns, and monitor comments for any audio issues you might fix later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.